Good evening. My name is Jeremiah and my YouTube channel is Creative World Graphics. So today I'm going to show you how to design a real estate flyer using your CorelDRAW and it's professional. So whatever you are looking for, I got it covered. I'm not stressing you, just a little touch. You have your professional flyer design which stands out to any organization. So this is what we are going to do today. Look at the design. What we are going to do on this is on our screen. We're going to do design exactly what you're seeing today. So as we're going to step into this, going to on your system, let's dive into the job. Thank you. So first of all, you control N. I believe all of us know the shortcut to your this thing, to your open new document. So now our title should be real estate flyer. It's already on RGB, so our size should be so I'm going to do, let me do 6 by 5 file. Yeah, 6 5, the width should be 5, while the height should be 6. So I think that's all. You click OK and we have this. So and the same, it's not the same, so let me change it to 7. Yeah, perfect. 5 by 7. This is our size. What we have here. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to bring our element in, which is to import. I already have them, so I'm going to drop them on the comment section, or if you need it, just DM me, just drop your comment. I'll drop the design, I'll drop the resources to you. So tutorial real estate. So this is our element and this is what we are going to use to design this flyer. So first of all, we are going to create our background. So I'll bring everything in first. I'll bring everything in. I'll bring everything in like this. So I'm going to import the flyer also, so that this is what we are going to replicate. So we are going to be watching it and we do exactly what is there. So Ctrl I again. The flyer is on the desktop. Import, drag and drop. So we have this. Wow. So is it hard? Yes, actually, but it is not. So the first thing we are going to do, double click. I think I've done before. If you are using lower version of CorelDRAW, you can't get this. From 2021, I don't think 2021 doesn't have this feature. When you double click on your rectangle shape, it will set your canvas. But 2025, I'm using 2024, so I have these features. And if you are using 217, you have 218, I believe, you have 219 also supposed to have. So if you are not using, if you are doing it manually, so after you draw your rectangle, you have to copy the size you have already set and paste on the rectangle. So we dive into the job, and the next thing we are going to do to is to bring one element which is not here. Sorry, I'm going to copy it, just give me a minute. So this is the element we are going to use. This sky. So the first thing now you have to do, you have to power clip this on your work. And sorry, I did not show you people how I got this, so I have to remove this. So this is your sky. We have to reduce the size, I guess, bring it down. So the first thing you are going to do is that you click on your transparent tool. You hold your shift key and drag it down. You take this up so that you can blend it to the background. It's too much, so you reduce it more, and we have this. So what I have to do, I have to remove the outline, because me, I don't like when working half outline. So, and secondly, there are another thing I did not bring it, so I'm going to import it later, which is the 3. So our text is you too can own your dream properties, right? So which we are going to type it. I'm going to type it. We type it here. You too can own your dream property, right? Up and right. So the first thing we're going to do now, you have to highlight everything and change it to title case. Each letter is capital letter. So instead of us doing it, changing one after the other, you highlight everything and right click. It sees you will see your change case. Change it to title case, and we have this. So the fourth I'm going to make use of it is consent, right? Yeah, consent extra bold. Yeah, this is it. So you click on it. Make sure say you are following. You use your shape tool and drag this up and reduce the space between. So from there you change it to center. You now increase it. I think this is perfect, but the size is too small. You have to increase it again. So the next thing now we can help you develop and buy, right? Type it under. We can help you develop, buy and sell your real estate, full stop. So the font we are going to make use of it is coincide medium instead of bold. So you now reduce the size, bring it up, you now change it to red color, right? And we have this. Now I'm going to break this. Using my Ctrl K. I believe you guys can do it. Ctrl K to break. So, and we have color. Two color. We have gradient color here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this color. You copy it. I believe you guys can copy. Your eyedropper tools. You use it. You click on it. So you guys watching, but you use your interactive tool, fish tool, to duplicate. That is to get gradient color. And now go up and copy. I copy this, so I have this already. And I want it to be, so I have this. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I have to hold your right mouse and drag to the text, the particular one, and remove your hand. You release it. So what I'm going to do now, copy fill here. So I'll click on copy fill here, and I have this effect. So, and you can decide to change it. You can decide to change the angle. If you want it to be like this, you can do it. Anyhow you want it, you can play around. Anyhow you want your design to be, so you can play around with it. So this is not pure black. I'm going to use this one, 90% black. So same thing here. So now we have this. Now the next thing now, I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to make use of this. I will do this size and centralize it. You increase small. You use your shape tool and curve this. We have this already. Hope you guys are following. And we have our property, we have our estate, and we have our fine lady here that we are going to use, and we have our icon that I'm going to make use of it in this design. So the next thing we are going to do is to make use of our property now. So estate features. That's what we are going to start type here. Estate features. Estate features. Type it. I believe you guys have follow along. I change the font to extra bold. Cause you reduce the font, it's too big, so you reduce it this way. Maybe increase it small, and we have this. And zoom your. Let me zoom it so that we can be seeing what we are doing. So, and there are some effects on top, so we are going to do that. You should not worry about that. I just want us to get the layout before adding those effects. So the next thing now is our security home, security gatehouse, right? Gatehouse, stabilize access road. The last is water. So we have this. Let me zoom it. This is what we have right now. Make it capital. Okay. So we change the font to medium or semi-bold. Let's use semi-bold. And this is what we have. So we are going to bring our icon in. All of them. We're going to take our icon inside. I'm going to make use of them now. I think we have another element. Yeah, I have this element here. Import them inside. Yeah, our CCTV camera. So I'll change this water to CCTV camera. CCTV camera. I think we have this now. I think we are good. So I'll drop my another element here, rectangle here. We have a rectangle design there, so I'm going to draw it. I'll draw it down, make it curve it, make it white background, and remove the outline. Reduce it. I think it's too big. Yeah, I think we are good now. So the next thing now we are going to do is to bring each element to its position. So this particular one, I download it as FG, so I can change it any color. But this particular one, I have to bitmap it and convert it to mode. So you go to your bitmap, come to mode, and come to black and white. I think it's okay. So you left click, you right click and remove the outline, and right click and give it outline. So we have this as a white background. The color we need is white. So simple. I know many of you don't know this feature, so that's why you have to follow me and subscribe. I'll be dropping video each and every day on how you can improve on your design. So now increase it. So we have this. Maybe you can break this so that I centralize them. With your shift key, you will click on this, and with your shift key, you click on the security and click your E, letter E. So do center alignment. Now we do the same thing to this. Bitmap it. We don't even need this one again. We don't need water again because I have deleted it. What we need now is stabilize access road and fence. So this fence, you go come here. The same thing I did there. The same thing we did there. That's what we're going to do. Yeah. So we have this fence again. Anything you don't understand, drop your comment. I'll follow you up. And if any of you need a mentorship, I'm available. I'm available for you guys. I can mentor anybody, child, adult. I'm always available to mentor you. So, but this my video is helpful also. But if you're a beginner and you are struggling, like maybe you are looking for mentorship, You can drop your comment or follow it up. So the next thing now uh, is road. So I'm going to bring my road in. So to bring our road in, I reduce the size and place it here, and we have this. Perfect. So we have this. So the next thing now is to bring our bell icon to this. You reduce the size and put it here. Use your shift page up, or you right click on the element. You come to order. You use to front layer. That is it, and you reduce the size of the element, which I'm doing. Hold your shift key when reducing any side. So you hold your shift key and reduce from both sides. So the next thing now is to duplicate one of these things and make it black. So you can, the message here is you can what, send a DM. So the message is send a DM to buy your enter property today. There's no way I can do it though, but I just want to be plain like how I did it. So people should not be confused about it. That is it. So you reduce the space and you reduce the font size. You place it here, and we have this. So the next thing is to use there is demarcation there. So which you are going to do it now. You come to your pen tool and pick it. You draw it, and we have this as it is on the flyer. You reduce the size and you shift this, centralize them as I always say, and we have this already. So the next thing here is to bring our house, right? Yes, let us bring our house in. Bring in and we increase the size. Take it this way. Make sure you are following. So we have this. You use your shape tool to crop this part. We crop it, yes. And the next thing you are going to do is to bring in our young lady in. So we are going to crop it first. If I forget to drop the resources, please indicate in the comment section that I did not drop it, so that I will drop for you guys to follow up. You're going to power clip. I believe you guys know how to power clip. So right click, edit power clip, and increase the size of the lady. Perfect. Increase this way. So we have this. Correct. So the next thing you are going to do is to draw a rectangle. Maybe let me just copy this one. I'm going to copy it. DC. I reduce the size, and I'll make sure say I remove it from this, make it 0. So you drag to your left click and drag and right click. You have cut this. So I'll make this one black, which I'll make this one blue. Go to your shape tool and Ctrl Q to convert it to curve, and you drag this one down. Hold your shift key, drag it down. We have this. Sorry, we are dragging this one. Now we have this perfect design. Hope you guys are following. So the next thing now we are going to do is for you to bring in your resource file. We are going to increase this image here. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to increase it and bring this down. Increase this. Sorry, undo. Ctrl Z to undo. Increase this. Ctrl Z. So increase the size. Increase the size. We have this. So what we're going to do now is to bring in some elements. So you too can own a property. We are going to design. There is an effect on those design which we are seeing. So what we are going to do is that we draw a rectangle like this. We are going to convert it to curve. We're going to convert it to curve. So what I'm going to do now is hold your Ctrl Q, demarcate the middle, do it this way, you rotate it, so you power clip this inside the design. You use your shape tool and drag this back here and take this one this way. You have this, you change it to white and come to your transparent tool and make it uniform tool. So you remove the outline. Don't forget to remove the outline whatever you are doing. So you remove the outline. We have this, so which is not perfect yet. I'm going to bring it down like this. Yes, so you curve this one up, curve it up. So we have this. The effect is not showing yet. So what I'm going to do now, for us to power clip this inside, I'm going to power clip this, page up. So once we go back now, we are going to see our effects. See, the effect is applying already. Now the next thing we are going to do, the same effect is inside the design. So which I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to just use my pen to trace it like this. You guys are seeing it, right? Trace and drop. So the next thing, make it white, remove the outline and transparent tool. So perfect. Power clip this inside, we increase it, and we are good to go. We have this. So we have this now. We have effects. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to, if you look at this, there is another element here. If you are going to do it, you draw your rectangle always. So make it red, remove the outline, you curve it, centralize it. This image have to bring in is have to increase the size small. Yes. So we have this now. So make it, use your interactive fit tool to drag and make this side darker red so that you can see our effects. We all see it now. So hold your shift key and drag and drop. So change the mirror to left and you have this effect already. Small touch, you are done. So increase the both side so that when somebody zoom it, you know that it's not ordinary, bro. So we have this and we have this already. I have this element. So you bring it inside, hold your shift key, page up, reduce the font size. So, and this is what we have now. We have this right now. So the next thing now we are going to do our location to and phone number. So you can decide to type any phone number there. It's not a problem. So we have bed on the sky. So I have my bed here. We bring it in. We bring it in and that is it. We have this pivot. So the next thing we have another tree there and I've not included. So import desktop. I have my tree, so I import it. Power clip inside the design. Edit power clip and come to this side. Change the mirror to right. We have this. You rotate the design, the tree. I mean, rotate it and take it up. So we have this. Hope you love it. Now the next thing we are going to do, we're almost done. So we have to type the website. I don't know the website we are going to use. So I'm going to use new landlord, www.newlandlordhome.com. So you change the font to medium and you reduce the font size. Change the color to white. Put your shift key E, centralize it, increase the font. The same thing. Now you're going to remove this to newlandlordhome@gmail.com. So we have this same thing. Put your shift key, centralize it. So we are going to reduce this height of this. It's too big, it's too much. Reduce it again a little. So we highlight everything and group it. Put your shift key on put your shift key and click on E. So we have this. Now here there is another effect here under this. So what we are going to do is draw your rectangle and do it this way. White. Remove the outline. Take it this way. Pay it down. Sorry, put your right click, order behind. You click on this. Want it to be behind. So we are going to change the effect here. So control, go to your shape tool, control R, command R. So curve and curve it this way. We just want to give another design, like another effect. Maybe you do it this way. Anyhow that we like. So I think this is still fine. We have this and you reduce the transparent 8. So we have this, and I believe you are enjoying the tutorial. If you enjoy, so what you're going to help me, drop your comment, subscribe, like, drop your review. This is the way you can support me. So every week I'll be dropping one video for you people so that you can master your design in CorelDRAW. And after we finish, I will show you how you can add effect to your design in Photoshop, which will make your design to stand out the way you are seeing. So the next thing, I'm going to type phone number here. So head office, you are going to type the address. Head office, column suit 29 Namdu Plaza. We'll say zone 5 beside former TAC, FCT Abuja, right? So we have this. Take it this side, make the color white, do it this way, reduce the size, make this one bold, make the office bold, semi, the rest semi bold, we have this. So the next thing is the phone number. Type it. If you need property, you can call the people, they are trustworthy. So type your phone number here, 08037200402, comma 081 36 37 3024. Like I say, if you need any property, you can call those people, they are trustworthy. I guarantee you your money is not at risk. Invest with them, they are good. So I think we have this, and you create the font of your phone number, group it and centralize as I always do. So the next thing is our social media handle, which we are going to use to do this now. So let me bring them in. So our social media handle, we have this, take it this place. So we are almost done now. So the next thing now, we have our cloud. So how can we make use of cloud in this design? So watch and see. You come to your transparency to come to your merge mode, change it to overlay, click on the tab P. We're going to see the effects there. Look at the effect we have having on our design now. Look at the perfect effect. So what they are going to do, you reduce the opacity, and we have this lovely effect. Love this. Do you love what you are seeing? So we have this already. So the next thing, I have my lens here. So in my last video, I taught already how you can blend the edge of this lens. So I just change it to screen, and you have another powerful effect. So the effect now, I'm going to drop it here. Sorry. Drop it here. Just pardon me. So we have this. We have our light here, our light effect. So we still have another effect here. The same thing. So we are going to copy this. Light. You drag it and stretch it. So we drop the light here. Drop the light here. We're going to have some effect here. You reduce the opacity. Maybe you do it 50 too much. And that's the let's leave it at that 0. So you copy it here again. We have this. So the next thing I think we are done is to bring in our logo. So look at our design now. We have this powerful design on your screen. Within 34 minutes we are done. So help me like and subscribe the video if it really helped you. So I'm going to import the logo. New landlord, new landlord, new landlord. So I have the logo here. Copy it, import, and drag it here. So reduce the size and put it here. And that's what we have now. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to import our design. We are done already. We are going to import our design, export it, you name it, real estate flyer. So export. I have design already similar to this, so I have to change the format. Let me add one to it. Let's check it out. You see, it's showing transparency. Why? Who can tell me? If you can tell me, drop your comments. So why it's showing me that thing is because in the design there is no background color. That is the reason why, which I have added, and I believe all of you can do the same thing. So we have this particular design now, and our design is cool. Like as I told you people, our design is fine. Our design is fine. Our design is fine. So we are exporting it now. We take it to Photoshop and add some effect to it, and your design is powerful. So we have exported it. I'm going to import it to Photoshop now and add the effect I'm talking about to it.